Mario second place.
Split for first and second.
Technically, Raymond had more points, so he won. So.
Split for first and second.
Nope.
Split.
Okay, so let's get to the deck. Nope.
Split.
Shut up.
So I play a Veiler and a Sangan and 2 Tour Guides and 2 Thunder Kings because those are good cards.
Doesn't that hurt you with your shirt, Gene?
Maybe. And then 3 Magician, 3 Shark, 3 Rabbit, 3 Rat, 1 Random Hunter because hand loop is still possible if you open God, and 1 Soldier because it gets over Thunder King.
Why not double Veiler?
Because I don't feel like it.
Best answer ever.
Yep. Spells. Triple MST, 1 Twister for the random continuous crap.
No, he only started that for me because he knew what deck I was playing.
That was main decked 1. 2 Factory.
Play 3, bad player.
Nope. 2 Salvage. Adds Shark and Zen Mighty, so it's a good card. And then limited cards.
Staples. Why no mind control?
Because I don't feel like it. This is still a beta test deck. I have no idea what my final build is going to be, but fine. Split first and second. Traps are 2 Torrential, 2 Bottomless, Song Brigade. Good traps.
Yep.
Extra deck. Played those because I cited Super Polys for heroes. Then my rank 3s were one of those, one of those, one of those, that, and then my rank 4s were Maestro because it's good, that, Dogmaster's broken, that, and then the 2 5s I play. I didn't play Tyrus because I didn't have room. Simple as that.
And that's Mario's wind-up deck.
What about side deck?
Too bad.